Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are doing good. So friends, after a long time I am back in this particular channel, and from now on I'll be producing videos on a regular basis. Please do come back, watch, share and like my videos as well. And obviously don't forget to put your valuable comments in the comment section. Clear? So today in this particular video, I'm going to show you three charts. I'll start with Dow Jones and then I'll move to Nifty, and then at the fag end, I'll go to Bank Nifty. So this is Dow Jones Industrial average chart of weekly time frame in trading view. So people are very bullish presently in this indices, but you can see that I have drawn two lines. One is this horizontal blue colored line and the other one is this downward sloping red colored dotted line. So for the last few weeks, you can see these weekly candles. This is facing resistance around this 34,000 to 34,400 level. Correct? And the present candle, you can see this candle is exactly hovering below, or you can say around this confluence of two major resistance level. And tomorrow there will be a very important data, that is the CPI data will come out tomorrow. And if that CPI data is, if it breaches the estimate, then obviously people can short Dow Jones. And if it is below the estimate, then there is a possibility that it can go on the upside. But as of now, looking at the price action, I don't think that this candle is going to give a breakout on the upside. I'm still bearish. So let's focus on the daily chart at first. You can see in this daily chart, it is again in the smaller time frame, it is forming a somewhat, you can say, a triangle. So there is a very high possibility that the breakout will come tomorrow after the CPI data. But which side? That is the question. I am blindly on the downside, that price will come on the downside. There is no chance of price going on the upside as of now, because I am not that much, bullish, or you can say I'm not predicting the CPI data to be as good as it was in the earlier months. Clear? So now let's focus on Nifty. So this is the Nifty chart is getting opened in trading view. Sometimes it gets lagged. Yes. So I'm just removing all the indicators that I use sometimes. Now straight away I'm going into the weekly chart. In this weekly time frame, let me just zoom out a bit. So in this weekly time frame, you can see that it is again hovering around a very tight zone like Dow Jones. Correct? So on the downside, you can see 17,770, or you can say 17,700. And on the upside it is 17,900, which needs to be watched. So let us just have a look on the daily time frame. In this daily time frame, you can see that the chart, or you can say the candle, the pattern that has formed, basically it is a descending triangle. Correct? Because it is continuously making lower highs, and the lows is obviously at the same horizontal level, keeping a few candles aside. So it looks like a descending triangle. Correct? Now the major levels that one needs to watch is obviously the high of this particular candle, that is 17,780. This is the level. And on the downside, today's low is also very important, that is this is 17,720. So these two levels needs to be watched, and today, the CPI data for India has come, and it is really a bad figure. So the CPI inflation in January rises to 3-month high of 6.52%. So tomorrow, US CPI data will also come, and I am again very bearish in this particular CPI data because India, has given a bad data. So I'm predicting that the US CPI data will also be kind of bearish. So you can see that how it has increased, and obviously it has breached the RBI band. So I'm expecting going forward that RBI will again increase the rate. So as of now, I am still bearish in Nifty, and tomorrow we can see that this level of 17,700 will get breached tomorrow. On the downside, you can obviously mark the level for 17,500, and the immediate level should be around this level, that is 17,650. Now let's move to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is obviously showing more strength compared to this Nifty. So in the last few days, I have opened the daily chart. In the last few days, you can see that Bank Nifty is, or you can say it has formed NR6. So what is NR6? That is basically narrow range 6 candles. Correct. So for the last 6 days, it is hovering in a very small tight zone. So there is a squeeze in volatility. So going forward, maybe from tomorrow, I am expecting the vol to increase and the price should come down. The immediate levels I have marked this. So this is the level on the upside, that is around 41,780, and on the downside the level needs to be watched is 41,100. I'm expecting 41,100 to get breached tomorrow, so you need to see the level of 40,600 or 40,750. So let me just show you the weekly chart of Bank Nifty, because it has formed a very, it has taken or respected a very important level in the last 2 weeks. You can see, let me just zoom out a bit. So this is a long time frame line I have drawn from 2020 March. So I've extended this line from 2020 March. You can see that last to last week, basically, that is the week ended 30th Jan, you can see it has exactly taken support from this extension line which I have drawn from March 2020. So this line is very far as of now, so I'm not focusing on that line, but you need to watch these levels for tomorrow, because I'm expecting these levels to get breached tomorrow on the downside, and the immediate levels, as I have mentioned, 40,650 one needs to watch, and below that it should be 40,500, and obviously after that the levels should be 40,180 or 40,000 in round figures. So for today, I'm just keeping these three charts, and tomorrow again I'll come back with few more charts. Please do track my channel and share it with your near and dear ones. Thanks again for watching my videos.